Even dietitians like to have sweet treats, but eating in moderation can be hard with all the fall goodies around. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to make the perfect sweet snack with endless possibilities to feed a crowd or a single person, with my simple recipe for Lightened-Up apple pecan nachos. To get started, toast a 1/4 cup of chopped pecans in a skillet with no added oils. Heat over medium heat for about 4 to 5 minutes until the pecans are golden and fragrant. Next, core 2 apples and 2 pears and arrange both fruit slices on a large platter or board. Apples are a good source of fiber, helping keep you full longer and may help lower your cholesterol when eaten regularly. Next, chop up 8 large strawberries and add those on top of the apples and pears. Strawberries are rich in antioxidants, which may help reduce inflammation and protect against stress. Once that's arranged, melt 1/4 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and drizzle the chocolate on top of the fruit platter. For the finishing touch, grab the toasted pecans and sprinkle those on top of the platter too. Pecans are powerfully packed with protein, fiber, and heart-smart fats. Other topping options include unsweetened shredded coconut or candy bar pieces. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, follow us on Facebook or Instagram at Hy-Vee Dietitians.